We're a full-service hydraulic shop. We do all makes of hydraulic cylinders at Hydraulics Express. We work on pumps, motors, cylinders, and valves. What sets us apart from our competition is we know we're part of the CAT dealership, so our standard of quality is beyond a lot of other repair shops, and we offer a 1-year warranty on anything we work on. We offer fabricating new rods. We also hone barrels to check them for the sizes and for durability. We also are able to oversize to where we can get a little bit more life out of the barrel, but keep within the specs of what new cylinders are made to. We have a complete machine shop that we do all our own fabrication and welding. We don't outsource anything. Along with our new CNC, we're able to do multiple parts. If a customer has needs that they need 25, 30 parts, we're able to fabricate them for them. Some of our customers can't afford a lot of downtime, so we offer the second shift service to them. They set up an appointment with us, we pre-order all the parts, they drop it off that afternoon and can pick it up the next morning.
We've been working with Hydraulics Express now for 15 years, maybe more. Some people say, oh, they're expensive, and I say, well, will you pay for what you get? You want somebody to come in, rebuild a cylinder, rebuild a hydraulic pump, make it last as long as it did the first time, you come to Hydraulics Express.
We take pride in what we do here at Hydraulics Express. We try to treat everything like it's our own or it's a piece of equipment that we're going to own for the rest of our lives.